I'm gonna expose a secret I've known since I was a teenager in Future Farmers of America. Now that there's so many people buying chickens, I've cut up all these vegetables and I'm gonna go feed them to the birds. So there's a whole stack of those fresh vegetables we just cut up. So they'll make pretty quick work out of that. That'll be gone in, probably 20 minutes or something. We'll just wait a couple days and see what the result is. Let's go grab some eggs and make an omelet, see how this worked out. I'm gonna give the chickens these baby carrots because I like to give them a treat that distracts them while I steal their eggs. They usually come running pretty quick. That's my favorite part. It's so funny. Goofy birds. Whoops. They don't seem to be huge fans of the carrot yet. They'll be gone soon though. Bird count because the gate was opened. All right, we're good. She's a broody hen. She'll probably take care of those young if I bring them out here, but we'll see. Let's grab some eggs. Breakfast time. Okay, we had a good haul of eggs. Hopefully they turned out. Let's take a peek. We've got 22 eggs, so I'm gonna crack these open. Well, that one's normal. It's to be expected, I guess. Oh, this one's funky. Oh, look at that. Oh, she's a good bird. Now check this out. This is what's crazy. We had red and yellow peppers, but they come out mixed. It's the weirdest thing ever. So let's keep cracking and see what we get here. Yeah, that is awesome. Oh man, look at that. That is amazing. So if you have birds, or if you have neighbors that have birds, give it a shot. Ask your neighbors to give it a shot. That one's just normal. But it's super cool. I mean, who wouldn't love this? It's such a cool project. And now that I've gotten it out, there we go. Now that I've gotten this out there, Future Farmers World I'll probably be kicked out of, but that's all right. I'm an adult now, so whatever. Terrible at cracking eggs. Look at that. Just another normal one. I'm a big eater, but that's gonna be a huge omelet, so let's go. Crazy. There you go, folks. Isn't that amazing? Now that you know, you can make your own omelet layers. You feed your birds right, and they will literally produce omelet eggs. It's all ready to go. It's pretty awesome. You just feed them the big chunks. If you cut it up really small, by the time they digest it, it just comes out as sludge. But if you give them the big chunks, the birds just devour the big chunks. They don't have teeth, so it goes into their system and it processes out. And like I showed you, that one, it takes the two colors of the red and the yellow pepper and it blended them together. I don't know why the green one doesn't do that. Oh, there you can see a good one. How do these birds do that? Amazing. Okay. So just like that, you can basically get your birds to lay what we call omelet eggs. They're awesome. Guys, guess what? Really, guess what? This whole video, it was a joke. It doesn't work that way. That's not how it works. If it did work that way, I mean, then I could incubate those eggs and I'd probably end up with a quesadilla or something. I don't know, maybe I should try that.